Primary methods are social casework, social group work, community organization. Primary methods are those methods which directly help the clients to solve his or her problems. The following are the primary methods of social work. The first one is social casework. So what is social casework? Social casework is a unique method of problem solving. It helps an individual to solve his or her psychosocial problems. Okay, so here the social worker is concerned with individual individual problems only. Okay, here intervention come at the individual level. Professionally trained social worker helps a client with particular problem. A social casework is a primary method of social work. So this is social casework. Here it's an individual method, one-to-one support. The social worker, the professionally trained social worker is giving a professional practice or giving an intervention. It's a one-to-one method, through a one-to-one method, that is social casework. And the second one is social group work. So what is social group work? In social group work, intervention takes place at group level. In social casework, intervention takes place in client level or individual level. In social group work, intervention takes place at group level. Social worker assists the member of a group to help capacities and potentialities. The leadership qualities and personality traits of group members are developed by organizing programs. The growth and development of the group members are promoted in social group work. So that is social group work. And the last one is, that means last method of primary methods in social work is community organization. So what is community organization? Social intervention at community level is termed as community organization. The community organization organizes its resources to solve the basic needs of the community with the participation of the people. So the community identifies the problems and resources with the help of a community organizer, that means professionally trained social worker. The problems like water scarcity, sanitation, poverty, unemployment, pollution, education needs, etc. are usually dealt within community organization. So here social casework, social group work, community organizations are the social casework, social group work and community organization are the important primary methods of social work. So what is the main difference of primary method and secondary method? Here in primary method, social worker is directly dealing clients issues or clients concerns. In secondary method, social worker is indirectly dealing clients concerns. That is why this is called indirect method and this is called primary method or direct method. So let's have a look on the secondary method. The secondary method means the first method is, in secondary method, the first method is social action. So what is social action? Social action is a secondary method of social work. It finds solution for mass social issues through propaganda, public opinion, collective supports, etc. So, for example, Narmada Bachao Andolan, the concern, that problem. So, during our social syllabus or during our study BSW and MSW, we are reading. We need to read those kind of social action in India. So, for example, for social action, Narmada Bachao Andolan is one of the examples of social action. Okay. So, the solution to mass issues are found by legal means and non-violent activities. Okay. The mass issues like dowry, environmental issues, gender issues, etc. are addressed through this method. So this is social action, and in social action you need to learn a famous personality name, that is Mary E. Richmond. Okay, so that person's theory and that person's concept and aspects you need to read and you need to understand. The second method in secondary method is social work research. So what is social work research? Social work research means let's examine the issue like domestic violence, child abuse, migrant labor, etc. In order to understand this problem, we must have scientific and systematic method to find out their various causes and solution. Okay, for example, during your social work syllabus, the end of your study, you need to take a problem, or you need to take a topic for your research, right? So why you are going through that kind of research and all? So this is because you need to understand that is a important method in our social work syllabus. So social work research tries to analyze the causes behind social issues, helps professional to solve problem. So the last method is social welfare administration. So what is social welfare administration? Social welfare administration transforms social policy into action. This method makes use of scientific and administrative techniques in planning, implementation, monitoring, evaluation, and welfare programs. Okay, so these all are the primary methods and secondary methods of social work. So detail, this is a part 1, and detail part 2 I will explain. Each of this method I will explain. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and comment and drop your comments below. Thank you.